Imagine getting a full-fledged bathroom, a home-like kitchen, and a unique bed setup inside a 17-foot vehicle, that too without breaking your bank. Sounds imaginary, right? But that's what this mind-blowing campervan offers. And there's something special inside this tiny little campervan that takes you to heaven, almost. But the question is it actually so great, or does it only look good on paper? Let's take a look.
Motorhome luxury.
The Carado CV541 Pro starts at a price range of $71,000 and goes up depending on the extras you opt for. At the very first glance, the campervan looks absolutely stunning with a compact build, high-end finish, and a very clever design. Measuring 17.7 feet in length, 6.7 feet in width, and 9.2 feet in height, the Carado CV541 comes as a very compact option that gives you hassle-free parking and easy maneuvering to narrow places where those 40-footers motorhomes cannot even think of going. This, combined with a 2.2-liter engine that generates up to 140 horsepower, gives you more than enough power to explore different places without any sort of problems. Like its previous models, the CV541 Pro is based on the Fiat Ducato chassis. Coming to the front, the campervan carries a SUV-like design and looks absolutely stunning. You have a beautiful windshield with integrated lights to give you all the visibility you need. But here's the crazy part. Unlike most campervans that usually have the driver's cab and the lounge area joined together, the Carado CV541 Pro comes with a separate driver's cab. What's that for? I'll tell you about that later on. For now, since we are around the cab area, let's take a brief look. The driver's cab of the Carado CV541 looks very neat and well strategized, with everything in its place and lots of features that make driving so much easier for you. You have comfortable captain chairs, plenty of storage pockets, a cup holder, and a big infotainment system that gives you that high-tech and futuristic touch. In terms of features as well, you have front and rear wheel stabilizing, power steering, cruise control, ABS, and hill descent assistance that ensure you are as safe inside this vehicle as possible. For more privacy, there are privacy curtains for the driver's cab as well, so that's another plus. Let's head to the passenger side now and look at these 16-inch tires that carry your vehicle from one place to another. Along with this, you also have the passenger's door, a window, and a powered side mirror that provides you with more visibility, ensuring you ride safely. Up next, you have the main entrance, which, as always, we'll talk about in detail later on. For now, you also have a beautiful awning in the standard package that measures over 10 feet and gives you a beautiful shade to sit under and enjoy, whether it's family breakfast or just chilling alone. On both sides of this campervan, you have big double-glazed windows that enhance the overall appearance of the vehicle. Moving ahead, there's the inlet for the fresh water tank that can carry up to 26 gallons of drinking water, giving you lots of freedom. Along with that, you have around 24 gallons of gray water tank capacity as well. But it's now time to explore one of the most exciting sections of the exterior of this campervan: the rear. The rear setup of the Carado CV541 Pro looks pretty clean and elegant. You have a couple of double-glazed windows, the necessary taillights, a reverse camera, and a door that opens to a beautiful layout inside. As soon as you open the door, you get exposed to a pretty amazing lounge setup that speaks of luxury and comfort. But we'll talk about it later when we get inside the van. For now, let's look at the compartments on the sides. In one of the compartments, you can store a 6-pound gas bottle that'll take care of full-time cooking inside the campervan. Speaking of storage, this beautiful dinette setup can also be used as a pretty big storage option when needed. How? There's also another narrow storage pocket in which you can slide in the table for the dinette, in case you want to carry bigger and more important objects. Carado gives you the option to have 2 bike racks at the back, allowing you to take 2 bikes with you to the campsite. Not just that, you can also have a sliding window at the back that's way more luxurious than a fixed one. You can opt for insulated rear doors as well as mosquito nettings for the rear doors that'll not only ensure that the interior remains warm, but the same from flies and insects at the same time. There's also an option to get 2 storage boxes at the back that can be used to store more items. Perfect for your camping activities. Let's head to the driver's side now. First of all, you can see a beautiful double-glazed window. Beneath it, you have the shore power connection and the exhaust for the heating system. Speaking of power, the Carado CV541 Pro comes equipped with a standard 95 ampere-hour AGM leisure battery. On top of this, you also have the option to install another 95 ampere-hour AGM battery to increase your off-grid reach even more. That's fantastic. Moving ahead, there lies the removable toilet cassette that offers hassle-free waste dumping, supporting your campervan life even further. It's now time to head back to the main entry door. The CV541 Pro comes with a sliding main entrance that looks absolutely fantastic and offers enough space for a comfortable entry inside the campervan. But what if I told you that the exterior is only a glimpse of the luxury that lies inside? Let's step inside and take a look at that special thing in this campervan that takes you to heaven. As soon as you step inside the Carado CV541, it instantly feels very unique and different from other campervans in this range. The biggest feature that makes this campervan different from others is the big fixed heat-insulated wall that separates the driver's cab and the rest of the camper. Unlike most campervans that come with a single non-divided interior layout, the Carado keeps everything organized. Right in front of the main entrance of this campervan lies a fixed staircase that's very rare in such campervans. But where does this staircase take you? To heaven? Definitely not. Let's find out. The Carado CV541 Pro comes with a magnificent staircase that leads you to a stunning pop-top roof bedroom that includes a comfortable double bed setup that'll serve as your primary bedroom. Not just that, every step in this staircase has a small storage compartment that gives you a lot of space to keep different sorts of items. The pop-top bedroom looks pretty cozy and comfortable with reading lights, floor insulation that comes as an optional package, and a big double bed that can easily sleep 2 adults. Isn't that wonderful? Attached to the main entrance on the left side, you get the kitchen of the CV541 Pro. This is a compact kitchen setup that utilizes maximum space and gives you full-time cooking options. What else do you need, right? The setup includes a 2-burner gas stove, a beautiful sink with a faucet, and lots of space underneath the countertop where you can store your kitchen essentials. There's also a countertop extension on its left that gives you more space to work on. A small yet very practical feature. The kitchen also includes a small refrigerator of 2.2 cubic feet that's installed on the staircase design and gives you easy access. It even comes with a separate freezer compartment. Up next comes the bathroom that lies right in front of the main entrance and is a wonderful section. The bathroom of the Carado CV541 looks very spacious and comfortable, with a clever design layout that utilizes every bit of space without making it look like a cramped setup. Inside, you get a toilet, a foldable sink with a mirror, a shower head, a towel hanger, and multiple deep storage compartments where you can store your toiletries and other stuff. This bathroom not only looks very fresh because of an amazing lighting setup, but has proper ventilation so you never feel stuck. That's thoughtful. Speaking of thoughtful, let's now come to one of the most cleverly designed sections of this campervan, the rear lounge. Despite being such a compact vehicle, the CV541 Pro comes with a very spacious rear lounge setup that includes a couple of 2-seater sofas and a removable table in the middle that works as your 4-seater dinette. What's interesting is that this dinette sits on a heighted space, and the space underneath can be used as a storage option, allowing you to put many things inside. The space looks absolutely stunning with big windows on both sides bringing natural light, an amazing lighting setup illuminating the whole layout, and big storage compartments installed on the sidewalls that give you so many storage options, whether it's books, board games, or whatever. There's also a deep hanging wardrobe beside the dinette that can be the perfect space for putting your clothes and maybe extra luggage. But the magic doesn't stop here. In the optional package, you can also opt for a bed conversion of this lovely dinette, converting it into a comfortable sleeping space for an adult or 2 kids. Beneath each sofa, you have deep storage pockets as well. So, what do you think about the mind-blowing staircase of the Carado CV541 Pro? Is it the cleverest design ever? Drop your thoughts in the comment section. If you're interested in those stairs, here is another campervan that has a staircase and may be an even better option. Click on it and we will see you soon at a new luxury motorhome.